In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a strawberry hurricane lemonade. In my blender, I already have my ice and my vodka, and I'm going to add the hurricane mix. Now I'm about to add some frozen pink lemonade. Then I added a little bit of sugar so that it wouldn't have a sour and tangy taste. So it was kind of watery, so I end up pouring some of it out, and I will end up adding some strawberries to it to get it a little thicker. Once I added the strawberries, it made it thicker and it gave it a red color. So here I'm just stirring it up. Once you get it as thick as you want, you are ready to serve, or you can put it in the freezer so that it can get thicker. I have my glasses chilled and they're ready. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of whipped cream to the top. Then I added just a little bit of red dyed sugar just for decoration. Now that we're all done, the drinks are ready to be served. Thank you for watching my channel. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on Snapchat at Nuki33.